I think that sustainable finance is key for bringing the transformation that we need in our society. So we have to bring together sustainability topics with science in mind, but also bringing the capital markets for the decisions that we need for this transformation in our economy. When it comes to circular economy, but also the decisions about where to invest, how to invest. So it's one, of course, of the key topics that we have to have on mind. So for us in UAS, we have been working these last 2 years and the most relevant topics that are on our tables for bringing this transformation. And today we are happy to present this report with the key topics for the professionals from the finance sector and also from sustainability for keeping in their minds and take decisions and move and take action around this.